my channel. This is one of my Valentine's Day looks that I am doing. I'm doing a little series. I'm going to bring 3 looks to you guys. This look happens to be for date night. If you're going out with babe, this is something nice and sultry and simple that you can do that is not too over dramatic, because we know how men like to be, even though we really don't care. Before we get into this video, subscribe to my channel, click the link down below, come join the Emmy gang because it's little on this side. Thank you to all my new subbies. Welcome to the Emmy gang, and to all my subbies that have been since day one. What's good, boy? I see you. And my social media handles, I'm gonna leave them all in the description box down below. Comment, share, and let's get right into this video.
Alright, y'all, let's get into this beautiful look. I'm using my Morphe 3503 palette. Y'all know I love this palette so much. I need to get more and stack up on my Morphe. But these are the colors that I am using today. And I'm starting off with my Wet n Wild concealer. I'm going to put that all over my lid. I'm going to blend it out with my finger. Best way to blend it out, because, you know, skin to skin warms it up. So I'm taking this dark brown shade, I'm putting that all in my crease, and I'm only putting it in the outer crease, and I'm also blending that into my outer lid. So I'm taking this orange color, and it's kind of orangish, brownish, whatever, blending that brown out, and then I'm also adding my colors back. You can't just be blending colors out and don't add colors back. Add them shits back, boo. So, time to cut the crease. Cutting this crease. I noticed that I'm getting better at cutting my crease. Practice comes with that, I realized. I just thought I could just wake up and cut my crease automatic. So, I'm taking that dark brown shade again. I'm blending that out. And I'm taking this nude shade, and I am putting that all over my lid. Blending everything together. You guys don't understand how much I love nude makeup looks. They're so beautiful. So I'm doing a wing liner. This I definitely need practice on, but I'm actually getting better because my wing liners used to look floppy. I need my wing liners to cut a bitch. So I'm putting my mascara, I'm putting on my lashes. So to get your lashes to stick all day, line your lid with the glue, and then of course put the glue on the lash and stick it on, and boom, it's gonna be on your face all day. So I'm putting black in my waterline, and that's because I do not have any black eyeliner. And then I'm going to blend out my bottom eyelash line, whatever you want to call that. We're gonna blend that out with that dark brown and that orange that I put in my crease. So I'm adding mascara to the bottom lash line, and then I'm going to finish off my face with my finishing powder. This is Maybelline in Coconut. So I'm going to get to my lips, and boom, that quick, that easy. And this hair is ratchet. It needs to get redone. Boom, there you go. That was easy. And these curls need to come out because no. Yes, sis, that's what I'm talking about. And this is the finished look, y'all. If you like this look, comment down below. Make sure you go out with bae. Eat that dinner, eat that dick later. Peace, y'all.